Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 7 for the beautymas series here on my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a reverse cat eye makeup look. So I already have my complexion already done. I have my eyebrows done. Now we're going to move right into the eyes. I did forget my eye primer. So again, like always, we're going to start with the Nars smudge proof eyeshadow base to prime the eyes. Okay, I want to keep the eye look super simple, so I'm not going to go crazy with the eyes. I'm going to use the bronzer shade that I used for for bronzing. On the eyes, I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Bronzer, and I'm going to use the Morphe and Ariel brush number A11 to apply this. I'm pretty much going to apply this on the entire lid. Do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, now I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit closer so you guys can see. Okay, now we are going to start with the eyeliner. So I'm going to take my new eyeliner. This is the Colorpop BFF Cream Gel Liner in Brew, Hahha. This is from the holiday collection and I absolutely love it. It's so nice. So I'm going to start by applying this on the waterline. And also, I'm going to place this right underneath the lower lash line. And I'm going to, for creating the wing, I want to kind of trace along the lower lash line. So like that, and then a tiny bit on the upper lash line as well. And I just kind of like to take my finger and blend a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so I'm going to take my angled brush. There's some product on it, so I'm going to just kind of remove the product. And to set the eyeliner, I'm going to take the Colorpop Going Coconuts palette. I'm going to take this shade. This is the shade Nutty. And I'm just going to set. And then what I like to do is I'm going to take my pencil brush, and from the same palette I'm going to take the color Palm Reader, which is this one, and apply that to the inner corner. Okay, now I'm going to do mascara. So I'm going to curl the lashes, and I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Legit Lash Mascara. I'm going to take the volume side first and go through the lashes with this. And then I'm going to switch the mascara to the other side. I'm going to use the curling and lengthening side. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, and then I'll be right back. Ow! Let me do it like this. Oops. Okay, so off camera, I also applied my Ravie Beauty Effortless lipstick in Dahlia. I love the shade, it's so pretty. So that was it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Bye!